So student, this is our next topic in the second section, rebellion in the countryside. Condition of farmers was not very good in the villages. The small farmers such as landless farmers, they had to work under the landlord, talukdar. Talukdar is a kind of title which was given by the Mughal period for those people who were work as a representative of the king. So they faced Begari system. The farmers they had to work under the Jamindari system, so they had faced many of the problems such as Begar. Begar means no wages, no salary. Even they had to work very hard. These farmers were called tenant because they were doing the work in the piece of land which they purchase and buy. They were called tenant and they had to work in that land. That is called, this land was called the leased land, and where they had work for time, but the tenure means the period of the work was not very fixed, so they were evicted regularly from the job, from the work. This type of the habit of the jamidar or the talukdar made the insecurity of the work of the poor farmers, and they wanted the three demand. Number one, reduce the revenue charges which was very higher. Second, abolition of the Begari system, means they wanted that they are doing the work, they were doing the work, so they should get the proper wages, proper salary. And last one is very important, they wanted the social boycott of the oppressive landlord system, Jamindari system, where they wanted to you will say get freedom from this kind of the practice. When the farmers were facing the problem, so same time Baba Ramchandra had seen this condition very critical, and they has decided to founded the Awadh Kisan Sabha. This Awadh Kisan Sabha was founded in UP in you will say Awadh province in Lucknow, and this Sabha was founded for this region to empower and to encourage the small farmers, especially from the working period, because landlord and talukdar and jamindar had started their discrimination policies, and they were also started many of the exploitation work against these small farmers, so they were being evicted from the job regularly, and they were not getting any kind of the security from the work. So he had decided to found this you will say association or the groups or the organizations to support the small farmers, and later he was accompanied by the Jawaharlal Nehru. Both had toured in the whole country and founded the or established the 300 other branches to support the farmers of each areas, whole you will say north province of India. Baba Ramchandra was the founder of Sannyasi revolt, and he went to Fiji as a indentured labor. You know very well what is a indentured labor. You study this term in the making of global world. Even any student have knowledge about the indentured word, indentured labor, so they can comment in the box. Student, our next topic is rebellion in the countryside. We'll see in this topic the tribal people were not allowed to go in the forest, especially in the reserve forest, to collect the fuel wood collection and to graze their animal, to graze their cattle, because these reserve forest was reserved for to preserve the wood for the construction of railway sleeper and for the construction of ship. Many of the tribal people were forced to work in the mining and the plantation work, where they were facing the same problem, means Begari system. Alluri Sitaram Raju, who had seen these problems very closely, so he told about himself that he was the incarnation of God and he had lot of supernatural power. So he could make the people very healthy by the healing touch, means he could touch the people and they become very healthy, and he could face the bullet, means his body is made for facing any kind of the bullet. He supported Gandhiji and Khadi campaign. He trained the travel art of warfare. He trained all the travel people into the art of warfare, that is called the guerrilla art of warfare. It is very popular warfare of India because Maharana Pratap and Shivaji was very trained warrior of this art of warfare. In many of the regions, this warfare also still practiced in our military. So he supported Gandhiji Khadi program. He also supported non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji, but he was opposing the Gandhiji in the way of non-violence because he wanted to train all the travels in the guerrilla art of warfare, and he wanted that the freedom could be gained only through the violence and through the fighting. So he became the problem for the Britishers, and soon he was captured by the Britishers and put into jail, and he was executed in 1924. But he became the folk hero like the Birsa Munda of Bihar, and he